In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a full online storefront in Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to sell physical products, digital downloads, or services directly from your website, this is one of the easiest ways to do it without touching any code or using multiple tools. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and by the end of this video, you'll have a working online store built entirely in Squarespace. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is Squarespace? Squarespace is a website builder that lets you design, host, and manage your entire website in one place. It's known for its clean templates, visual editor, and all-in-one setup, which honestly makes it perfect for creators, small business owners, or anyone who wants a polished online presence without hiring a developer. When you use Squarespace for e-commerce, you can add products, accept payments, and manage orders right from your dashboard. Everything from your storefront layout to your checkout experience stays consistent with your brand. Before we start building, here's a quick overview of what really makes Squarespace a great choice for setting up a storefront. So first off, you get a built-in store editor that lets you upload products, images, prices, and descriptions directly inside your website. There's no need for separate plugins or separate apps. Second, you can accept payments through Stripe, PayPal, and Afterpay, which covers most online checkout options. Third, you can sell different product types, so physical, digital, and service-based, all from the same site. And fourth, Squarespace includes inventory tracking, coupons, and analytics, so you can manage your business easily as it grows. And finally, everything is fully integrated into your website design, so your store feels like part of your brand, not a separate platform. Okay, now let's get into how to set this up. So if you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can go ahead and get started with a free account by using our link down in the description below. We also have a discount code, but we'll get into that later on. So once you click that link, you'll just click Get Started. Once you create your account, your dashboard will be here. Obviously, you won't already have websites in here, but we'll go ahead and click Create Website. From here, we want to make sure we do something e-commerce related. Okay, maybe it'll be something in the health space. Maybe we want to sell an online course, sell memberships, build community, publish a blog, get appointments, sell services, right? We could do so much on here, and maybe we want to sell products too. Okay, we'll go ahead and start with a template, and it also gives us some recommendations, which is really nice. Maybe we'll go ahead and start with this design. And of course, we can change the colors, we can change the fonts, we can do whatever it is that we want. Okay, so now that we've got our specific website, what we're gonna go ahead and do is go to products and services. So this is where you can add any products or services. So maybe we want to sell a physical product. Maybe we'll do something like a protein powder. We'll want to add an image. Maybe we'll upload something. Just use this as an example. Okay, maybe the price will be $49.99. If we want to change it to limited or unlimited stock, we can. Maybe 1,000. Okay, and now even their AI can generate product details based on our description. Experience the perfect blend of nutrition and taste with plant protein that caters to women's needs, ensuring smooth digestion and vibrant health. Love it. Button text, add to cart. Love it. We can just leave that right there. Forms. We're not going to have a form with this. When it's on sale, we can turn that on. $49, but we can turn it on sale if we would like. You can even make this a subscription, so they can select if they want to have it reoccurring. It's got all of your organization right here. Okay, it even created the SEO and URL, so we can go ahead and click save. Love it. If you wanted to add any services, so maybe we've got, one-to-one health coaching. Okay, we've got one-to-one holistic health coaching, mind, body wellness, one-to-one calls bi-weekly. Let's see what it generates for us. Obviously, the AI is a starting point. You want to come in here and make sure that you're actually adding in your unique brand, messaging, and who you really are. Okay, now the price, maybe this is $3.999. Okay, and the stock, maybe we only have like 5 spots or 4 spots. Okay, amazing. Save, publish. Okay, and then all you do is click save and you're good to go. So now that we've got our product in here, we'll go to our website. So this is where all of our services will show up. So as you can see, this is a product pulled in, so you can add it right here. You can of course update the design, etc. If we want to add a product, we can go ahead and click add product, add existing product, and then it adds it directly right here. So they make it really, really easy to add your products and services services in here. Okay, and then you'll of course want to come in and edit your whole entire website with your copy, your branding, your images to really make it feel like you. Then what you'll want to go ahead and do is connect a payment processor so you can go ahead and use Square, PayPal, Stripe, whatever it may be. You just click turn on Squarespace payments and they will walk you through step by step how to do that. And then you'll want to go ahead and add a fulfillment method. So especially if you're doing a physical product, you need to make sure that this is turned on. So you'll add a shipping option, can be a flat rate maybe. So maybe this is US shipping. Maybe this is like $4.99 and it's not per item, it's just a per order fee. If you wanted to add a handling fee, whatever it may be, and then you'll want to make sure you define this specific flat rate. Then you'll want to make sure you add the country that you are specifying for this specific one. So maybe it's international, you add a separate one. Okay, so lastly, you just want to keep up with all of your analytics. Okay, you want to make sure you're seeing where people are clicking so you can come in here and customize the different copy, maybe the different images, see where people are dropping off. So it's really, really important that you keep on track with it. Okay, so with their analytics, you can see the visits, the bounce rate, unique visitors, you can see traffic sources, you can search keywords, and then even see geography. And then of course you can select 30 days, year to date, whatever it may be. And finally, you want to test your checkout page. Okay, so you want to click preview on your store page and go through the checkout process as if you were an actual customer. Add the product to your cart, click checkout, and make sure the payment methods appear correctly. You can do it in test mode by using a sample card from Stripe's documentation before going live. And then once you confirm everything works, your store is officially ready to go. Now that you understand how to add products and get everything set up, let's talk about the pros and cons of using Squarespace for your store. So the biggest advantage of using Squarespace for your storefront is just how clean and simple it is to manage. You don't need to install a million plugins, configure a separate checkout tool, or learn any type of code. Everything from your product setup to your payment processing is handled in one single dashboard. Another pro is that Squarespace stores are beautiful out of the box. The templates are designed to look modern and professional, which just helps you build trust with customers from the start. The built-in email notifications and analytics also just make it so easy to manage your business day to day without adding on any extra tools. The main downside is that Squarespace's e-commerce features are best suited for small to medium-sized stores. If you plan to run a huge catalog or need advanced inventory tools, something like Shopify might be a better fit, honestly. Another small limitation is that Squarespace's payment gateways are limited to Stripe, PayPal, and Afterpay, which covers most people but not all. Overall though, for anyone selling a few dozen products or digital offers, it's more than enough. Now let's go ahead and talk about the different plans and pricing options, and I'll also show you how you can actually save 10%. So Squarespace has a bunch of different plans here. They've got monthly and annually plans, but if you pay annually, you can actually save a bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the annual plans. You can get started for free with any of these plans, and then the basic plan is $16 a month paid annually. You get everything you need to build your website, you get 2 contributors, and then you can accept payments, but these are the highest transaction fees, as you can see right here. And then of course you can sell products and services. Then they've got the core plan, which is $23 per month, which is again paid annually. With this, you get everything in the basic plan, but you get more advanced analytics, professional email, and then the card rates do decrease just a little bit. So as you can see, the online store transaction fee goes to 0%. The credit card rates do stay the same, but the digital content and membership transaction fee goes 5%. Then you can also, of course, sell products and services, but you get professional shipping and tax services, sales funnel analytics, and then API integrations as well. Then we've got the plus plan, which is $39 per month, paid annually. You get everything in the core plan, but the rates do decrease again. As you can see, the credit cards go down, the digital content and membership fees go down to just 1%. Then lastly is the advanced plan, which is $99 per month, paid annually. You get everything in the plus plan, but all of the fees go down. So the digital content and membership transaction fee goes to 0%. Same with the online store. And then the credit card rates go down even more. Okay, but you definitely choose a plan that best fits your needs. But if you want to go ahead and save even more and save an extra 10%, make sure you use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. So should you use Squarespace to sell products? If you're looking for an all-in-one platform where you can design, sell, and manage everything in one place, Squarespace is definitely worth trying. As a personal note, I know setting up your first store can feel so intimidating, but once you go through these steps and follow along this video, it's actually really simple. The best part is that Squarespace handles all of the tech for you. You just upload your products, connect your payment method, and you're ready to sell. If you want to set up your own storefront today, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners build websites, launch digital products, and create online income streams step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.